Okay, let's go on this adventure. It's been raining half the day. Not heavy rain. Temperature is 53 Fahrenheit, 11.6 Celsius, I think it is. And the rainfall amount we got is 0.68 of an inch. That's over half an inch. I put in centimeters. This is our after dinner walk. I had chicken and dumplings today. I didn't want to be out here grilling or anything. Yesterday you had VOTs. Oh, look at the roses. They're starting to open up. The red ones there. Yeah. Spring rain bring May flowers, they say. It's going to be a while before I cut the grass. A couple more days anyway. It needs to be cut, but it's too wet. My feet's getting wet. Oh. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. We got a big old pond over there. The little muddy river. It's all soaked back here. Ooh. You can hear me walking here, probably. No thunderstorms, but rain. Oh, man. We're going to go. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Hold on, Barkley. We're going to go to bed after this. Well, I got to finish. I might watch a little bit of television yet. It's still kind of early. Whew. Good girl, Lucy. I didn't put the raincoat on because it's not raining that hard. And I'll be taking it right back off again, so. I'll only put it on them if I do it the first part of the day, and then I'll just keep it on them. Oh. Sound like picking up a little more of the rain. Yesterday I didn't have my camera on me. I walked them and there was a squirrel in his fence there. I just run all the way down. Yeah, I know, doggies. It's kind of wet out. They said we weren't not supposed to get this much rain today. It's supposed to be hit and miss. Well, the weatherman lied. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. I was hoping you pee too. Yeah, good girl, Lucy. Oh, you was really holding that, weren't you? Yeah, good girl. Oh. Come on, Barkley. Get away from that fence. Be glad when I get my grass cut. Whew. Let's go in the house. I'm getting wet. Got a jacket on, but thanks to folks for walking with us. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. We really do. Thanks for watching, folks. Till next time. Later.